Everybody say to do each and every little thing. What world goes to the queen if I ain't got you? Ain't got you. Baby, you don't know all is love. Baby, you don't know all is love. To love somebody, to love somebody, the way you love me. In my ring, I see your face again. You ain't got to be so blind. I'm going blind, so very blind. I'm a man. Can't you see what I am? I ain't so big for you. All this life, baby, you don't know all this life. Love somebody, love somebody, bring that love me. Saturday morning, jump out of bed and roll about the sugar. Down in my car and dressed like a gentleman, all the way to you. Knock on your door with heart in my hand to ask you a question. 'Cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. And I have your daughter for the rest of my life. Say this, 'cause I need you. Say I'll never get the glass until the day I die. To the other, my friend, answer still no. Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry her anyway. So marry that girl. Marry her anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say, marry that girl. I want you to live. So why you gotta be so rude? Why you gotta be so rude? I have to do this, really no choice. Everywhere about her, love me or hate me, and we'll be reborn. Standing out the on floor. Oh, we will run away to another galaxy. You know, you don't see love in me. She will go anywhere right, and I have your dollar for the rest of my life. Say yes, cause I need you know. You say I'll never get no magic till the day I die. The love of my friend, and the sure still does. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I feel dirty? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry her anyway. Marry that girl. Marry her anyway. Marry that girl. No matter what you say, marry that girl. I'm gonna be a good lady. Why you gotta be so rude? Hey, why you gotta be so rude?
Dari orang biasa, tapi cintaku padamu luar biasa. Aku tak punya bunga, aku tak punya apa. Yang ku punya hanyalah hati yang setia, tulus padamu.
Oke, setelah ini ada yang lagi mau mengimbang lagu, jangan malu-malu. Panggung dan tempat sudah disiapkan untuk saudara.
kan malam ini untuk menghirup semua pengunjung yang ada di Taman Patimura, Kota Ambon. Ambon kono yang musik. Tahu yang mana, Bunda?